It was the back end of the summer 2022 and I received a phone call regarding this car. A friend of mine rang me telling me he'd had a little accident and he'd done a little bit of damage to the front bumper. He assured me it wasn't much damage and I'd sharp have it fettled, so he agreed for his brother to drop it round as he was away at the time. After taking delivery of the car, it didn't take me very long to realise I'd been talked into doing a job I didn't really want to do. Here's that lightly damaged bumper look. So unfortunately that's the best picture I've got of it, but here's some video of the repair work. I did try to get a new bumper out of him, but he didn't want to buy one. So unfortunately it was lots of tin, lots of rivets, lots of glue, lots of plastic welding, lots of plastic filler, lots of primer and lots of paint. Don't worry, we'll go back widescreen in the next clip. So the light damage also included damage to the cross member, the headlight brackets, the front panel, and believe me, the list just went on and on and on. There was also a brick wall to pay for, I believe, outside Padgett's Motorcycles down in Batley. Don't attempt burnouts, kids. So I was at a point now where I had the front bumper in primer and I was in quite a pleasant mood. But then he sent me a sill. As you can imagine, the sill had no damage. I didn't mind fitting a sill. What I did mind was repairing, priming, painting and fitting a sill. No damage. Jesus, this is eBay we're talking about. Anyons, I pressed on. So it's late one night and I get another phone call. I wasn't doing much, I was maybe just trying to get my leg over or something, so I just decided to answer it. Alright mate, can you take a look at the scratch down the side? Obviously I'd had a couple of drinks. Yeah, no problem mate, yeah, I'll have a look and I'm sure it's nothing, it'll just feather out and we'll just paint the full side of the car mate, yeah. Marvellous mate, marvellous. Yep, sure enough, I ended up feathering it out, filling the scratch, priming it, prepping up the full side of the car, masking the car and painting the full side. This is me just applying the base coat. Now it's time for some lacquer. So this stuff's stinking. Even with a mask, it's real horrible stuff. My missus always gets some real interesting conversation out of me when I've been using this stuff, especially on big jobs. On the big jobs, I normally have a couple of cans afterwards just to straighten my head. Let's hope that phone doesn't go again. With a bit of flat and polish, that side was now sorted. All we had to do next was get the front bumper on, build up the rest of the car and give it a good clean down. So the bumper was now on, and it was a pain in the backside to fit. I know, the sill, well that was fun. Thanks Andy. Next I refreshen the headlights and give them a polish. Fit the side vent. I know these things, the mirror covers, let's not forget them. What fun. But it didn't stop there. The phone was going again. And I won't do an impression this time because I've had a handful of peanuts and I'll end up choking. What could he possibly want next? Yep, the mirrors look good. So I'll tell you next, you guessed it, it was the wheels and the calipers. Well, I wasn't going to do the wheels. I didn't have the time, so I shipped them out. I did the calipers, but I didn't have time to do the wheels. But in the meantime, I had another phone call. I might have snapped a wheel bolt in the in the wheel hub there. Sure enough, there was a wheel bolt snapped in the wheel hub that I had to get out. Warning, images of a nature that might cause an epileptic seizure. I really could have done without doing this, and I could have done without dragging that welder across the gravel as well. But not to worry, I'll soon have it fettled. Just have to ease it round without being too heavy-handed, or it can snap. Once you've got it going, she'll just come out. Yep, job's a carrot.
Size of these.
Here's the wheels, look. I've spent that long on this car, I'm starting to go grey. Never mind. By the time I got all the wheels on, it had gone pitch black, but what a lovely job I've done of those calipers. Here's the car finished on the drive. And as you can see, Andy's ordered some more fiberglass, front splitter, and he got a boot spoiler. I don't know, lad. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, hope you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. It's been a blast.